Good afternoon, I'm Sid Kapuni reporting news from around the world. A 12-year-old and an 18-year-old were rescued by firefighters of Mechanic Falls, Maine and a drone after being stranded on a rock surrounded by rapids after a tubing accident. The boys only had one life vest and the firefighters wanted to get another life vest to the kids. The drone can't carry large payload, so instead, they had it fly a line to the kids on the rock. And with the 18-year-old holding on that line, the firefighters sent over another life jacket. The fire department were able to rescue them safely. Until next time, I'm Sid Kapuni reporting news from around the world.